Hey, have you heard about the new project our company landed? It's a massive bridge construction, and they're going to need tons of steel for it.
Oh, that's exciting. With a project of that scale, we'll need to be very careful in selecting the right types of steel for different components.
You're right. I'm not too familiar with the different classifications of steel. Could you give me a quick overview?
Sure, no problem. Steel is primarily classified based on its chemical composition and mechanical properties. The main categories are carbon steels, alloy steels, and stainless steels.
I see. And what about alloy steels? How are they different?
Carbon steels are the most common type, and they're further divided into low, medium, and high carbon steels. Depending on the amount of carbon present, low carbon steels are softer and more ductile, while high carbon steels are harder and stronger.
Wow, that's really interesting. And what about stainless steels?
Alloy steels contain additional elements like chromium, nickel, or manganese, which enhance their properties like strength, corrosion resistance, or heat resistance. For example, chromium alloy steels are widely used in tools and machine parts due to their hardness and wear resistance.
That's really helpful. With so many options, it's crucial to choose the right steel for each component based on the required properties.
Stainless steels are famous for their excellent corrosion resistance due to their high chromium content. They're commonly used in industries like food processing, chemical plants, and medical equipment. Different grades of stainless steel offer varying levels of corrosion resistance and strength.
Got it. Thanks for explaining the classification so clearly. I feel much more prepared to tackle this project now.
Exactly. For this bridge project, we might use high-strength low-alloy steels for the main structural components, since they offer a great combination of strength and cost-effectiveness. But for components exposed to harsh environments, we'll need to consider stainless or corrosion-resistant alloy steels.